please give us a brief overview of your new projects, the oil separators and rainwater harvesting?
Here at Rocla, we saw the opportunity to extend our product range from the normal pipes and culverts that has been part of our range over the last 100 years nearly, to include two new products, rainwater harvesting tanks, as well as some grease and oil separators. The rainwater harvesting tanks are our normal pipes that are sealed in an appropriate manner, and we install those in conjunction with some filters and pumps which make the water reusable in a grey water environment. It's not really potable, but we can install tanks which can capture the water from any runoff area, the roofs, the parking areas and so on of a development. We can then store them underground where they're cool and dark, so from a health perspective that's advantageous, and then pump them out and use them for such things as washing of the wheelie bins in a shopping centre environment, or irrigation and that sort of thing. So the water then that is needed for potable use can be taken straight out of municipal, and water that's not necessary for drinking, you can avoid the municipal supply and rather use it from the normal rainwater. So those tanks, we use technology we brought in from Australia, and can then scale it from normal sort of 5,000 litres for a domestic application, right up to, we've done some inquiries for 2 million litres for some installations. So that's the rainwater harvesting, and we've got a whole range of filters and so on that go with that. Then on the grease and oil separators, it's very important that the water that goes into a public waterway is clean, and that any petrochemicals are kept out of that. So we've got a series of products making use of our concrete tanks, precast, so that they can be installed nice and quickly. Again, using some very top quality filters to take all the oil and all the grease out of those, so that by the time the water is ready to be released into the waterway, it's totally clean. Not only can we clean it that way, but we can also, in conjunction with some of our other tanks, attenuate the flow. So although you've got a runoff area which could result in very huge quantity of water going down a particular water area, we can actually attenuate it and then release it slowly so that it doesn't do the damage in the natural waterway that it would do if it came too quickly.